hello, welcome to your home school. This year class 10 mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in our pair of linear equations in two variables, third chapter, and this is your exercise 3.5. In this exercise, we are going to learn about a new method, that is solving the pair of linear equations by using cross multiplication method. So we are going to start with the main itself. So in that I am going to explain you what is a cross multiplication method clearly. So your first main heading, which of these pair of linear equations have unique solutions, having many solutions, and there is no solution. Okay, if you have a unique solution, solve the equations by using cross multiplication method is your heading. In that first sub question, we are going to start it here. X minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0. Comparing the following pair of linear equations by the standard form of the equation. What is the standard form of the linear equation? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. When we have two equations, we are going to compare with A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Okay, so let's compare here. Comparing with the standard form of the linear equation in two variables. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That is, first equation A1 is equal to 1. Second variable here, B1 is equal to minus 3. And here C1 is also equal to minus 3. A2, next equation, A2 equal to 3. B2 equal to minus 9. C2 equal to minus 2. Okay. So, observe here, 1 by 3, minus 3 by minus 9, minus 3 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel, 3 3s are 9 and this doesn't cancel here. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Rewrite that statement. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. If we are going to get like this, then according to this situation, what we can say here, the lines are parallel. If they are parallel, they doesn't have any solution. Therefore, no solution. Therefore, there is no solution for the pair of linear equations. See the second sub-question in this main. Observe the two pair of linear equations in two variables. Compare these equations with the standard form. That is Ax plus By plus C equal to 0. On comparing with the standard form, Ax plus By plus C equal to 0. That will be, if you want, you can bring this 5 this side, minus 5 equal to 0, and this 8 this side, minus 8 equal to 0. A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to 1, C1 is equal to minus 5. Next equation, A2 equal to 3, B2 equal to 2, C2 equal to minus 8. Write in the form of ratio, 2 by 3, 1 by 2, minus 5 by minus 8. Look here children, all the ratios are not equal. If they are all not equal, what you can say? Observe only first two pair. Okay, what you can say here? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Let us leave that one is not equal to C1 by C2 also. But if we get the two ratios are not equal, then it will be having a unique solution. If it has a unique solution, we are going to solve the pair of linear equations by cross multiplication method. Therefore, the pair of linear equations has unique solution. Okay, then let us start solving these equations by a new method, that is cross multiplication method. Observe here children, this method is very simple. Cross multiplication method. This is the method we need to find solution for two variables. Now, we know A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, right? I'm going to give you the order. Look here, B1, C1, A1, B1. Observe here, if you have a ABC, let us start from B. B, C, A, B. So look here, you can see a small wheel or cycle wheel or a car wheel or whatever it might be, just understand. So, your wheel starting at B, where it touches the ground. How does it touches, children? Wheel is rotating here. B first it touches, right? Next C, next A, next B. Okay, how do you remember this cross multiplication method? It starts from B, C, A, again B. Stop there. Okay, understand the order here. B, C, A, B. But now we have two equations. So B1, B2, C1, C2, A1, A2, B1, B2. Cross means what, you remember? Into, right? So in between these, I am going to put a cross marks here. Okay, and put an arrow mark towards right side cross. Here we are going to take here X and here Y. This is 1. How do we write this one? B1, C1, A1, B1. And your next row, B2, C2, A2, again B2. Put cross in between these and put the arrow mark here. Okay. So now, how will be your process? X by, what is the variable you have? X. By, you multiply this. B1, you always start from here. B1, C2 minus B2, C1. Okay. B1, C2 minus B2, C1 is equal to Y by C1, A2 minus C2, A1. C1, A2 minus C2, A1 is equal to 1 by, again start from here, A1, B2 minus A2, B1. A1, B2 minus A2, B1. Okay. So any way you remember, it's okay children. Either you may remember this pattern or this pattern. Right. Once again I just discuss these, then I start solving here. This is important. Only these two lines if you remember. Cross multiplication is almost easy for you. B1, C1, A1, B1. B2, C2, A2, B2. Put cross in between them and then put towards right side arrow marks. Then you start multiplying such a way. Start from here, B1 into C2. Okay. minus, you need to subtract this cross values. Cross product you need to subtract. B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Okay, that is what x by you need to write. Here you need to mark here x. Then next, C1 A2 minus C2 A1. That you need to write it with y by is equal to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Okay, we are ready with the cross multiplication method. We are going to apply this method for this problem because it is having a unique solution. Observe A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Then start writing here. What is the first letter we are going to take in this method? B1. So what is the B1 value? Directly you can write 1, B2 value is 2. C1 value is minus 5, C2 value is minus 8. Then next A1, 2 and 3. Then again same repeated here. Okay. Now put cross marks and then arrows towards right side. X, Y, 1. Right? So now x by, multiply this carefully. 1 into minus 8 minus 8 minus 2 into minus 5 minus 10. So you can write this with the brackets is equal to y by minus 5 into 3 minus 15 minus 8 into 2 minus 16 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 4 minus 3 into 1 3. Okay, how am I multiplying? Understanding? Once again let me repeat, look here. X by 1 into minus 8 minus 8 minus 2 into minus 5 will be minus 10, but I need to put here with a brackets. Y by minus 5 into 3 minus 15 minus of minus 8 into 2 will be minus 16 is equal to 1 by 2 2s are 4 minus 3 into 1 will be 3. Now x by minus 8 minus into minus plus 10 is equal to y by minus 15 minus into minus plus 16 is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 will be 1. Now simplify this all. 10 minus 8 will be 2 and 16 minus 15 will be 1 is equal to 1 by 1. It's the time to get the variable value. How do you get here? Equate these two and also equate these two. X by 2 is equal to 1 by 1 and y by 1 is equal to 1 by 1. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So what is your xy value? 2, 1. So look here children, the same problem if we do graphically. Where does the two lines intersect? At 2, 1. If you do substitution method, you are going to get x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Elimination method, same value. Cross multiplication method, same value. Why I prefer this method, seeing the equations. Just look here and you can write this part. Okay, no need of doing more lines. It is very easy to solve the equations by this cross multiplication method. It reduces the time. Third problem, 3x minus 5y is equal to 20. Bring this 20 this side. What happens? Minus 20, right? And this 40, bring this side. Minus 40. What is your first step? Comparing the pair of linear equations with the standard form. Compare with the standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That is a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 5, c1 is equal to minus 20. Second equation, a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to minus 10, c2 is equal to minus 40. Always bring the terms this side and then rewrite here. Now, observe the ratios. 3 by 6, minus 5 by minus 10, minus 20 by minus 40. Minus minus cancel. 5 2s are 10, 20 2s are 40, 3 2s are 6. That means all the ratios are equal. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, they have infinitely many solutions. Infinitely there are many solutions. So, no need of solving these two equations by cross multiplication method. So, what is the condition here? If they have a unique solution, we are going to solve by this method. Now, let's see the fourth problem. X minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 15 equal to 0. First step, comparing the two pair of linear equations with the standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That means a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 3, c1 equal to minus 7. Second equation, a2 equal to 3, b2 equal to minus 3, c2 equal to minus 15. Okay. Now write the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Minus minus cancel, 3 ones are. So observe here, all the ratios are not equal. But I will compare these two and I'll say that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore, they have a unique solution. If they have a unique solution, we are going to solve this by cross multiplication method. Let's start solving here by cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method. How can we start? Do you remember the circle? How we have done? B1, C1, A1, B1. So write it again. What is the B1 value? Directly you can write off. B1, B2 at a time you can write. C1, C2, A1, A2 and B1, B2. So observe here, how am I doing? B1, B2, C1, C2, A1, A2 and B1, B2. Next step, with the cross marks, arrowheads towards right side and on this above x, y and this is 1. X by minus 3 into minus 15. Multiply like this, children. Minus 3 into minus 15 it will be minus into minus plus 15 3s are 45 minus 3 into minus 7 minus into minus plus 3 7s are 21 is equal to y by minus 7 into 3 minus 21 minus 15 into 1. It will be minus 15, put it in brackets, is equal to 1 by 1 into minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 3s are 9 and you have a minus sign minus 9. right? X by 45 minus 21, it will be 24 is equal to y by minus 21 minus into minus plus minus 21 plus 15 will be minus 6 is equal to 1 by minus 3 minus into minus plus minus 3 plus 9, it will be 6. Now equate these two and equate these two. X by 24 is equal to 1 by 6 and y by minus 6 is equal to 1 by 6. Send this 24 this side. X is equal to 24 by 6. That will be 6 4s are 24 and y is equal to, send this minus 6 here, minus 6 by 6, 6 1s are 6. Therefore, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1. Okay, these two variables, these are all the solutions for these two equations. Okay, x, y are the variables values, means they are the solutions for these two pair of linear equations. Second problem, first sub question. For which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? The two equations are 2x plus 3y equal to 7 and a minus b into x plus of a plus b into y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. So observe here, this is also one of the equation. That means if you compare with the general form, ax, by and this is c, it is a constant, right? So this complete will be one value. Rewrite the equations. This equation 7, bring this side. 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. And this equation a minus b into x plus a plus b into y minus, never try to write like this. Minus 3a minus b plus 2, don't write. Okay, when this is in a pair of linear equations, you just bring the whole value with a bracket sign. Okay? Right? Now, compare the equations with the standard form, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. When we have two equations, we write it with a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Okay? So, what is the given question here? In your equations, there are two variables, a and b. You need to find the value of a and b where they have the infinite number of solutions for these pair of linear equations. Already the solutions they are discussing here. How will be the solutions? Having infinite solution. Infinite solution means what is the ratio here? Remember, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, let's write here. Compare and write a1 value as 2, b1 value is 3, c1 value is minus 7. Similarly, a2 is equal to a minus b, b2 is equal to a plus b. You can remove brackets, no problem. c2 is equal to, you need to take the sign also, minus of 3a plus b minus 2. Okay. Now, they have given that these equations have infinite equations have infinite solutions. If they have infinite solutions, I can write the ratio as A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Okay, write these values here. A1 to A2, A minus B is equal to B1 3, B2 A plus B. Then C1 minus 7, C2 minus of 3A plus B minus 2. Now observe here, minus minus will be cancelled. Okay, so how can I get the values of A and B now? Observe carefully. I may compare these two and these two. Let us equate and get the equations. Then those equations we are going to solve. So now equate these two and equate these two. That is, first let me equate one pair. 2 by A minus B is equal to 7 by 3A plus B minus 2. See children, only these two or these two you need to equate. Any one you can equate children, no problem. Now, on cross multiplying, 2 into 3A plus B minus 2 is equal to 7 into A minus B. Remove from brackets, 2 into 3A, 6A plus 2 into B, 2B minus 2 2s are 4. 7 into A, 7A minus 7B. Okay, send this A this side and B this side. 7B minus 7B it will be plus 2B minus 4 is equal to 7A, 6A send that side minus 6A. 7B plus 2B will be 9B minus 4 is equal to A. A is equal to 9B minus 4. Or you may rewrite this as A minus 9B is equal to A minus 9B plus 4 equal to 0. This is one of the equation. Right? Another equation. If you compare another two, what is that? 3 by A plus B is equal to 7 by 3A plus B minus 2. If you compare, cross multiply 3 directly and write 3 3s are 9A plus 3B minus 6 is equal to 7A plus 7B. Bring this A and B this side. 9A minus 7A plus 3B minus 7B minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. 9A minus 7A. 2A, 3B minus 7B minus 4B minus 6 equal to 0. Right? Thus, you can go with another method also, children. Any method you are comfortable, you can go with that. Right? Now, I can see here two equations. By cross multiplication method, I am going to solve these. By cross multiplication method, this is equation 1, equation 2. Okay, you can identify A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Again, that A1, B1 is different and this A1, B1 is different. So now, minus 9, 4, 1, minus 9. For this equation, start from B. Minus 4, minus 6, 2, minus 4. Now observe here, what is the letter I need to write here? Not X. What is the variable you are having here? A and B. Write it here A and this is B and this is 1. Cross multiply. Put arrowheads. Okay. Now A by minus into minus plus 9 6 54 minus of minus into plus minus 4 4s are 16 minus 16 that equal to b by 4 2s are 8 minus 6 into 1 will be minus 6 that equal to 1 by, so observe here, 1 into minus 4 minus 4 minus of 2 into minus 9 minus 18. Okay, a by 54 plus 16, why plus children, minus into minus it will be plus, that will be 70, minus into minus plus, that will be b by 14 is equal to 1 by minus 4 plus 18, 18 minus 4 will be 14. Okay, now again these two equate, a by 70 is equal to 1 by 14 and b by 14 is equal to 1 by 14. A is equal to 70 by 14 and b is equal to 14 by 14. 14 ones are, so this one 14 fives are. Therefore, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. So, observe here children, this problem from here, they did not ask you do in cross multiplication method. You can go with any one of the method you know, that is substitution, elimination methods you can try. Okay, or you can go with the cross multiplication method. Therefore, what are the two variables we need to calculate here? A and b, that is a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. Do this problem carefully. Second sub question, for which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? No solution means what? The lines might be parallel. If they are parallel, what is the ratio you can remember? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So, if they are parallel and find the value of k is your question. They did not give you parallel. They have no solution. No solution means the two linear equations might be parallel. So, 3x plus y is equal to 1. 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1. Rewrite the equations first. 3x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. And this one, 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y minus of 2k plus 1, children, don't forget. Now, given, what did they give? They have no solution. If they have no solution, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Now, on comparing the equations with the general form, compare with the general form of the pair of linear equations and then write a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 value. a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to minus 1. a2 is equal to 2k minus 1, b2 is equal to k minus 1, c2 is equal to minus of 2k plus 1. Okay, now write like this. 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1 is not equal to minus 1 by minus of 2k plus 1. Minus minus cancel. Anyhow, that is not equal, children. We can skip this. Okay, just let us compare these two ratios. 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1. Cross multiply. 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 2k minus 1. 3 into k. 3k minus 3 into 1. 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. Bring this 2k this side. 3k minus 2k is equal to minus 1 plus 3. 3k minus 2k will be k. 3 minus 1 will be 2. Therefore, what is your k value? Therefore, the k value is equal to 2 when the pair of linear equations have no solution. Okay. With this, we are going to end our session today, children. In our next session, we are going to continue with the next problems. Thank you all.